Sony's Alpha 9 is a revolutionary new camera. With the world's first full-frame stacked image sensor, it's a game-changer that outclasses conventional SLRs. The innovative new sensor, the Exmor RS, has its own memory for 20 times faster data readout speed. It means you can shoot continuously at 20 frames per second for over 240 raw photos. The anti-distortion shutter is completely silent, making it ideal for shooting professional sports. And a mirrorless design eliminates blackout even during shutter release. For accurate, ultra-fast autofocus, 693 autofocus points cover 93% of the image frame. Lock on to fast-moving subjects with continuous autofocus and auto-exposure, and track them using live view. The camera can make up to 60 calculations per second for uninterrupted precision. With high ISO sensitivity, you can take great photos in low light and with minimal noise. Not only that, but 5-axis in-body image stabilization prevents vibration for better handheld shots and even super telephoto close-ups. That's with wide dynamic range and in 24.2 megapixel high resolution. Explore what you could do with the Alpha 9. Ideal for professional needs, it has the technology to realize your creative goals.